Hey, yo, good morning. Welcome, everyone. Good evening, good morning, good day, everyone. Hey, how do you feel today, guys? How is it going? How is your day, everyone? How is your big CPI day we're running through? Great to have you on board. And great to see you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much, guys. CPI in 10 minutes. Careful with the news. No trading for YRM. No trading for Savius. Welcome, guys. Yeah, so let me just go ahead and share the presentation with all the members. Thank you so much. Welcome. Make sure, guys, to like the video. Come on. It's a big CPI day. We're live. Let your friends, neighbors, brothers and sisters know about it. All the Discord, Telegram communities. They have to know about it. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after for YRM. 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after for Savius on the CPI. Exactly. Yeah, I'm about to start making prop firms feel terrified once again. Let's just start some trading, guys. Day number 22, third cycle, second day, is what we're gonna start trading. Third cycle, second day. Can I make some money before the CPI comes out? We had 153 grand here. We're in an interesting situation. And I would test out a little long from here. Couple of points to the upside. Wouldn't dare to be too enthusiastic about this one. 8.99 for my take profit. Well, we bullish or bearish? We're actually both. We're actually both. We're actually both. No push after that 1 minute lovely candle here. What a silly rejection, guys. But you see, today's a little bit different. Today's a little bit different. Good morning, welcome, guys. Great to have you on board. CPI starts in about 5 minutes. So for YRM, no trading 2 minutes before YRM and 2 minutes after the news. Right, so for Savius, there is 20 seconds to go right now. 10 seconds to go to close your trade for Savius. Close your trade for Savius. You got a couple of seconds. Do it. Flatten everything. And do not open within the next 10 minutes for Savius. Because 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after, making a total 10 minutes for Savius. For YRM, I still have a bit of a time. A couple of minutes here. Looking forward to seeing if there is some nice movement into 898, hitting my final target there, guys. We need 6 points here in a flash move. Let's see if we get it, guys. That's going to be the target, $700. We are due for a $700 target right there. Are you guys trying to pass your evaluations today? Well, you're going to get the volatility needed. The only thing is the nature of the market is going to be pretty much hectic. But let's see, guys. Do we touch the target here for the day? I need so bad the $700 here. So bad. Will I touch my target? Stop loss on break even. $40 profit on the stop loss. Come on, give me that target, guys. 898. 2 points needed from here. Nah, come on. Beautiful. Beautiful. The target has been hit. $634. And we confirmed the first account target. This is the third cycle. Third cycle. Second day, guys. 634. What a lovely time. Thank you so much. Whew, Scrambo's on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Look at that one. Make sure to like the video. Let's go. Come on. Like the video, guys. Do not sleep on it. Like the video. There is a huge gap between the viewers and the likes. And that's not going to be good for the giveaway. No, no. The giveaway this way is in danger. 634 profit. I'm going to sleep on this. Did you guys monetize this action here? I hope you did. Let me show you. Yesterday we made... How much did we made? I think around $600. 638 and today 634. There's already $5,500 cash out of this account. 5,500 cashed out. And the first 2 days of the third cycle the payout is going to be 3,500. For the YRM, you only need 10 days of $150 minimum. And that's it. 10 days, 150 minimum, and that's it. Respecting 20% consistency. Right? So you can basically qualify for a payout even if you're making 2% on the account. As long as you have 10 days of $150 minimum and 20% consistency for their instant funding accounts. You know, the payout rules are the same even for the evaluations for the challenges. $64 with my code. Everything is discounted from what you see on their website with my code. So there is an extra discount basically. But the best choice and the very popular one has been their instant funding account. $6,000 drawdown, max loss, $4,500 daily. 10 days of $150 from the beginning. No challenge, nothing like that. 40% with my code, which means a 10% extra, which means $90 extra discount, and that makes it around $540. Well, Ticktick Trader paid one of our members yesterday, guys. I don't know if they're done because they paid one of our members yesterday that requested a payout 3 weeks before. Think about it, guys. Requesting a payout 3 weeks ago and getting paid yesterday. One of our community members got paid yesterday from Ticktick. So if they would just have no intention continuing, would they pay this guy out? Yes, you can trade CPI on Lucid, yes. Right, so for those of you that are looking for trading CPI, you can trade it on Lucid. Yeah, they might be calling. Who knows? But that's huge, guys. Third cycle, second day, we made a lot here. I'm going to have a few days of a minimum $150. So probably for the rest of the week, the next 3 days, I'll do $150 minimum on this account. And I'll have 5 days, that being said. And I'll keep it nice. Continuing with the next one. Wouldn't be bad, guys. Ticktick Trader. Oh, look at that move. We are getting the news. Careful, guys. Market is pumping. Is lower than expected. 0.2%, guys. Lower than expected, 0.2%. The market is pumping on the CPI news. Look at that one, guys. Core CPI month-to-month base, 0.2% lower than expected, which kind of refers to the change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers, excluding food and energy. Lower than expected, and all the other, the CPI month-to-month and the CPI year-to-year came out as expected, but the core CPI 0.2%, which is why the market is reacting to the upside. That has been great. That has been great. Let me open up my Lucid and trying to do my $250. That's all I need. We got the news out there. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Lucid Flex is what we're trading. We passed 5 accounts, 150k valuations a while ago, and we're trading those. Ho ho! Can't trade on YRM for the next 20 seconds. But then I'm gonna trade. That's a whole lot of liquidity, guys. Look at that one. Beautiful. We broke above last week's high. And we might get a nice runner today for the all-time high. Good job, Maddie. Good job. Absolutely good job. Congratulations, guys. Make sure you want to take advantage of this huge move. Look at that one. It's unstoppable. Unstoppable. Good job, guys. Right, today is not a day to force it. It's not a day to force it. Alright, so we can trade our YRM accounts. We can continue trading our YRM accounts. Testing out something here. I'm out. 193 profit. I've hit my target. Celebration time. 193 profit here. I've hit my target on this one. 150k YRM. Boom. Let me trade the next one too. Grabbing along here. Nah. Give me that little push. Come on, a little more. Otherwise, this is going to sink. And probably get back. We'll have to get exit. We'll have to get out of this. It's risky. If this level is not holding here, we'll have to get out. Couple of points are needed for me. Bring it up, guys. I sold something. We were too over leveraged on that. We were over leveraged on that. And now we're fine. 20 micros. That's sufficient, guys. And the target has been hit here as well. So 3 accounts out of 3 YRM, all instant funded 150k, secured a target today. Oh my gosh, what a lovely day. We're just 15 minutes into our live stream and we secured all the targets. 15 minutes into our live stream, securing all of that, guys. Thank you so much. We're on fire. We're printing. And this is the most important thing. Back-to-back days, big profits made. Targets hit. Yep. Yes, you can trade the news right now. Correct. Opening my quant tower too, because I'd like to short this. A single contract. Let's see how it goes. Couple of points. Two contracts short. Only need to do 250 bucks here, guys. $250. That's a lovely way, the way candlestick opened. That's a lovely way. Not putting the stop loss on break even yet. Target has been hit, $303. Look at that one. 4 out of 4 today. We have $170,000 in this account, guys, and that's just insane, I'm telling you. 170 grand for the Lucid Flex. Boom! Lucid Flex is no consistency, no target. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after the major news, red folder news. You're not supposed to have to open up trades. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. At this time, you can trade it. At this time, you can trade it. That's the rules about YRM. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after major news. Trading the next account too. Still opening up a short here, guys. I think this is going, yeah, it's going lower. 288 profit. Another celebration time. This is the 4th account. No, this is the 5th. This is the 2nd Lucid Flex. Hitting the target. 166 grand. Boom. Celebration time. So 5 out of 5 so far. Bringing up the next one here. Good day, everyone. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video. Come on, like the video and join the giveaway. That has been a hell of a start. Unsurprised. Unsurprised. But still, feels great, right? It still feels great. What we're gonna do here will be copy traded. I'd like to measure and see for the pump we've got here. Is this something around the golden pocket for our retracement or not? Yeah, slightly below the golden pocket. I don't know if this is a long, guys. I don't know. So, not doing anything. No, keep it on 1,500. 50% consistency. That's great profit today. You've hit the target with that one. Just keep it secure, guys. Keep that money in your pocket. Today is certainly one of those days. Based on the unknown reactions that are going to appear during the day for the liquidity process, you don't have to force it, right? So today you certainly want to be happy by hitting a minimum target you set, and that's it. We traded 5 accounts, and 5 out of 5 are all hitting the target here, and we're just 20 minutes into the stream. And I'm not going to force it at all on those accounts. So think about it. Shorting it here. This is a place I'll need to make probably a little more than... But let me see what we can do. Probably a little more than 250. Let's see. We're copy trading. I've DC'd into this one by adding to my short, but it looks like... No, it's still good. We're 6 minis here. Short. 6 minis short. On our Lucid Flex 150k accounts, all funded. Let's see if this was just a little bull trap here, and the market might revisit that 966, 970. Let's see. Six minutes short. Give me that good money, guys. Come on. You want to cliff into that target. 970 for my target. 20 points away from here. Nah, I don't like this 1 minute candlestick we're having right here. If this is not getting rejected from this levels around the 26,000. Opening up a short here, a little short. On another account. But the thing is, on this one, we've got basically 6 minis short. Adding another contract onto this one that's traded alone. That's lovely. That's a lovely rejection there. I certainly not needed acceptance above 26,000. And for the moment, the market makers are listening to us. And they're not doing bad with that. Stop loss and break even here for this account that's traded alone. And for the other that's been copy trading on 6 minis, we're about break even. A continuation after that refusal of acceptance above 26,000 would actually be normal. Yet, of course, things are juicy out here in terms of liquidity. Not an easy trade, guys. Not an easy trade. Make sure to join our Discord lovely community. The Discord link is here. In order to win the giveaways, you got to be part of our Discord. That's the Discord link. That's nice, right? What do you guys think about this? Are we printing stop loss and break even for this ones too? Are we printing, guys? Come on. Do I need to do any partial exit here? I'm not doing it yet. This 1 minute candle looks good. I'm not doing it yet. I sold something. And I'm leaving the rest of it open. I sold 820 worth of dollars. And on this one, I'm going to sell a contract too. So I sold on this one 370 worth of dollars and leaving the rest of it open. For this one to get back to the starting point of the move, right? Beautiful, guys. So 370 on the account we traded alone. And the copy traded account is 820 profit secured. We're having the break even set up and leaving the rest of it open. So even if I just touch my trailings on the stop loss, we've got profit secured above the target of 250. And that's going to be 8 out of 8 accounts. We're trailing above this candle, guys. A reversal here is not something I'm going to trail this account too. Trailing right above the starting point of this flat candle. We're trailing. This one too, I'm going to trail it there. Hello, welcome guys, welcome everyone. The giveaway is going to be on the stream a little later. Make sure to join us, guys. Thank you so much. That's going to be, once this trades will close, it's going to be 8 out of 8 accounts full profit today hitting targets in less than 30 minutes. And yesterday we spent 45 minutes for a single account. Lucid Flex 150k, no consistency, no target on the funded stage, so it's just insane. The reason I'm leaving this one open is, you know, we can nicely cliff, right? We can nicely cliff. I just move my profit a little deeper. I'll do the same with the next one too here. Good. Once the first green candle appears, we're gonna get stepped out, but in good profit. You see the place we shorted, guys? That's the very top of the market. It's bouncing, trapping people in longs there. That's the place people longed, which is why you get this candlesticks afterwards. Slow bleeding is the nature of their stop losses. Getting hit and people slowly rebuying, but the market makers are not turning off the algo here. Great. Target has been hit here, guys. $1,434. And for sure on the other account as well. 793. 793. And then the one we did copy trading is 1,434. Celebration time. Scrambos and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Keep singing, everyone. Come on. Oh my gosh. 8 out of 8. Come on. Been hitting the target, guys. Like peanuts. Daily, weekly opening right there. Last month's high. Not sure for how long we're gonna bleed. Well, you certainly want to join our Discord community not to miss out a great time we're having. And in our Discord community, we have a weekly roundup of the sales and promotions existent in the prop firm space. Under the sales and promotions, you got basically that we got a channel right there. You got basically all the sales and promotions that are right now active in the space with the firms we're trading. And you get to see that thing updated constantly. Oh, look at a nice drop. Down to the daily, weekly opening. Let's see if we get any reaction out of this, or... But... we made enough. Now it's time to see what we can do for the Tap on Futures account too. Testing out a little short here.
Order filled.
The target is here, $500 is my target. Last month high, 935.
Order filled.
Congratulations. We made too much money already, and my trading is no longer sufficiently focusing. We're gonna touch our stop losses. That's $1,000. Yeah, what a 1 minute push, guys. Totally unexpected from me at that level.
Order filled.
You know, I'm gonna sell something partially. Accepted a partial loss.
Order filled. Order filled.
Our limit is 1,000. That's where I set it up. 1,000. Daily, weekly opening give us a pretty strong bounce here. We didn't touch the last month's high, 935. But you see the next candlestick could also... I mean, this is interesting. We might be sitting around the daily, weekly opening for the next 30 minutes. This account on the Tap one, we've been trading it since September and no payout. The rules, this account is something else. It's just, you know, for those of you that follow me know, the Ignite account here is just something. It's the first version of Ignite. It's not even available for sale anymore. They got to come up with a different version already. This is like a practicing account, something like that.
Order filled.
I'm testing
Order
a little
filled.
short here. We only have 140 bucks left to the daily loss limit. Thank you guys. Congratulations for passing your evaluations today for those of you having a lovely time monetizing it. And I'm taking some profit here.
Order
I'm
filled.
enjoying that 200 bucks we made. Yep. Let's see if we can recover, guys. Let's do an experiment.
Order
Opening up
filled.
another short here.
Order filled.
Yeah. I'm out.
Order filled.
And the target of that one has been hit as well, so we're down to 450 from 850. We're only having 150 bucks. So we made $400. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much, guys. We're back into the daily and weekly opening. You see, we're starting to see some reactions here as a double reaction. This is a double reaction here, and it's worth our attention. So clearly this level is confirmed to be meaningful for the market makers, the daily and the weekly candle here. Their openings. Plus the red line, which represents the dynamic swing and short volume with an average price. Look at that one. Thinking
Order
about
filled.
testing some
Order
longs here.
filled.
You see, I'm not gonna be requesting too much from the markets. Just a little spike above the previous two candlesticks we had here as a high, 967. Oh, look at that silly rejection. Nah, that's not something I'd like to see. Might just have to dump it here. I sold
Order
I sold
filled.
partially.
Order filled.
Oh, the target has been hit. We just wicked up, guys, into 978. Look at that. We just wicked up, guys, into 978 with that one. The 10 micros target has been hit. We had 20, we sold half in loss, and then the last 10 minis got to the target. But we're still 400 bucks down here. That's a lovely closing for the 5-minute. Is there a significant gap between the last week's high and today's high that we have formed under London session conditions and CPI momentum? So that's going to be heavily fluctuated today. Yet the core liquidity and volatility is around the daily and weekly opening with last month's high, which is 950s, 935. Interesting level to have some limit orders and touch some longs on the base of that. That was certainly a good time. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers and sign up for the giveaway. Like yesterday, we had a giveaway where I said top 3 will go to the second round of the duck race. And we needed to, you know, 2 guys were not having their form filled up. We have 8 out of 8 accounts. All YRM accounts got to the target, all the 3 funded. And all the 5 Lucid Flex 150k that are funded got to the target. That was you, Moji, unfortunately. Good job. We had a case scenario when one of our members, they qualified. And it was not on the form. And then the next day, hit it once again, and he was not on the form again for the second time. Thank you. Huh. That's a very interesting price action, the way all this liquidity is getting bought up. And they're slowly trying to push this one up, guys. That's what they're trying to do. We just had the flat opening on the 9 p.m., right? Yeah, 9 a.m. actually. They kept crying about CPI. It's going to come around 0.4%, 0.5%. Came out lower than expected, right? There's so much political fight. There's so much noise. Thank you. Thank you, Fred. Good morning from New Jersey. Testing out a short here.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going to be tight with this one, because this is a place. I'm going to be tight with this one. I'm not trusting this short that much. That's why I'm not trusting it, guys, that much. I see a decent chance making some money in this one, but I'm not trusting it that much, guys. So I'm putting my stop loss right there on 90 bucks. I'll take that loss if needed, because it's risky to allow to continue higher. It's very risky from here to allow to continue higher. Could actually get 30 points from here to the upside if it runs, so I'm not needing to do that. That's lovely. Come on, just a little deeper. Just a little deeper. Ah, it's getting bought up, guys. Look at that, it's getting bought up. Oh, there's so much pressure from the bulls. I sold
Order
half
filled.
of it. Like, yeah. Just gonna leave this thing open like that. 5 micros. Pennsylvania. It's another lovely place. Putting my stop loss and break even and changing my target. I'll take 10 bucks for my take profit.
Order filled.
Which has been touched.
Order filled.
And I'm testing
Order
out my
filled.
long from here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We got 25 micros.
Order filled.
30 micros. Our exit point is not requesting a breakout, is not requesting more than just touching the liquidity from the wick. So I do not request this thing to be highly bullish for me to take the profit there. 522, we're going to be more than break even. I'll put a stop loss on break even. And we're letting this one to go for that target, 975. Could actually close out something here. But I trust for a little more. Possibly trusting for a stronger move, guys. Into touching my ultimate target, 972, minus the realized loss we have, is going to give me that 500 bucks. That's my target, guys, $500. Come on. I am moving the trailing, 162 profit there. If it reverses from here, I should secure that 160s instead of nothing. Careful reshorting the move to the upside. Careful.
Order filled.
Good. We made profit. 160. I'm happy about that one, guys. 268 down from 850. And we're 25 minutes to go when the market opens. So this is where we are in the 5 minutes. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. You see, this is an interesting spot, shorting. Let me see if it works.
Order filled. Order filled.
$40 micros.
Order filled.
50 micros. We need 10 points for my target. $830 for my target. Let's see if the red button gets released here. Come on, release that pressure, guys, and it's gonna take the target. Release that pressure.
Order rejected.
Release that pressure. This could actually dump 10 points so easily. So easily. Once you get below 65, stop losses will get triggered. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Thank you. Come on, this is the place. Stop losses starting to get triggered. Keep that pressure up. Nah. Interesting, guys. I'll probably have to put a stop loss right there, right above the wick we just made. And that's where I'm going to put it. If we get back there, it is a risk of continuation to the upside. Look at that. They're pushing it. Yeah. We got a little bit lucky on that. Lovely move. Let's see if we get a continuation. Lovely move But the question is, do we get a continuation? Oh my god. What a price action is this?
Order
Come
filled.
on, stop me out. There you go.
Order filled. Order
So,
filled.
we made another wick. Yeah. You're welcome, buddy. We're struggling with this account. Beautiful. Beautiful rejection, guys. We got in a nice short. I'm attacking the 50s. Stop loss on break even. I felt that's fake to the upside. I felt it. And I'm getting rewarded. Beautiful 1 minute, guys. Beautiful 1 minute pressure. This can nicely lead into my 950s target. I'm adding more to this.
Order filled.
Will they bring it up again? Hopefully not. But this is looking lovely for a rejection and then a continuation. Come on. Come on, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, we got stopped out. 1,000 down. Still 4,800 in the account, above the balance. But we have a 1,000 the daily loss limit. Look at that price section. It's stuck right there. Not an issue. On the places we need, targets have been nicely hit today. Pretty much everywhere. On the priority accounts. Yep. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. We're trying to focus. There's not much happening. Very, very important. This account, 634. Very important what we achieved today on the YRM ones. Very, very important, guys. That's lovely, AD. Lovely. 500 bucks away. Keep your discipline. You have a huge buffer right now. You're good with that. But keep the discipline active. That's a lot of the work you did. Come on. Celebration time once you pass it. Yes. All the YRM accounts got to the target, all the 3. And all the 5 Lucid Flex got to the target. So we're on fire, yes. We're in big fire, we're in pretty hot fire. All of them, target hit. The top 1 futures we did here, the 1 grand loss, where my daily loss is something else. This Ignite accounts, we've been trading them since September. An account that has $2,000 max loss when you buy. We've been trading it since September, so we had a lot of the profits made. It's still active. But that's not a big deal account. I'm aware about it. I have not tried it yet. Not yet. Interesting move, guys. To the upside. Without revisiting the daily and weekly here. Very interesting. All those 5-minute situations generating wicks that have been quickly bought up. No acceptance on those levels. And then market's trying to run. Thank you, guys. You certainly want to watch the stream. 30 minutes into the live stream and we hit the accounts on 8 accounts. You're welcome. We're certainly there terrified. You know, I'm very, very enthusiastic about this account, guys, on the 150k because it's the 3rd cycle. And we have the first 2 days already in, hitting 600 bucks on both. So I'm planning to make about 3,500 totally in 10 days or more than 10 days. Take that 3,500 out. That's how much your payout is increasing for the 3rd payout, 3,500. And then the 4th payout, from 3,500, it is increasing to $6,000. That's going to be the fight, guys. I've seen tenacity. I'll give them some time. Yep. Not touching tenacity yet. Slowly grinding up. Last week's high are sitting there. It's not going to be easy to get above 26,000 without having the liquidity from the New York session. With that one, you can easily spike. Easily. But let's not forget the daily and weekly opening being so close to each other. And the way we bounce from there. You know, those levels are usually acting like magnets. So let's not forget that. If I make only 3,500 on the third cycle here for this account, I'm going to remain with about 152 for the fourth cycle. And that's just $2,000 drawdown. And that's not easy to handle, guys. 2,000 bucks drawdown and going for the payout of 6,000. Think about it. I think I would need a little more drawdown build from the third payout, from the third cycle. I think I should bring the account at least to 156, at least. And then taking 3,500 out, it's still 2,500 remaining. Not much, guys. Oh, 966 long, beautiful. Yeah. Lucid is top level. It's slowly climbing here within 25 points already. Laddering up. And the 6 minutes right there for the US opening. This is dangerous. Oh, you can trade Ninja, you can trade Quantower, you can trade basically for Lucid. Here are the platforms. CQG data feed and Rhythmic data feed. These are the two available solutions out there. Ninja, TradeAway, TradingView. And Rhythmic. This is the place things start getting hot for the Nasdaq. Grazie mille. Yeah, it depends how are you used and what are you usually trading on. Usually that's the best thing for people. Things that are used on. Of course, depends. $26,000 and 5 minutes to go. Make sure to join our Discord community too, guys. And we've got the giveaway on the stream a little later once the US session starts. Look at that ladder. Good job. VAC, 12 VAC, 32 points on 9 minis is more than enough. $180 a point times 32. More than 5,000, probably, right? 5,300, 400. Too much. Too much. You see, I'm not touching anything when I hit my targets. There's no way I'm doing that, guys. Never, ever. Unless I got money to lose, and that's really happening. So, less than 30 minutes into our stream today, hitting targets back and forth. It was a very, very good stream, guys. Packed up with good trading. Do not forget about tomorrow's possibility of having another 150k Lucid Flex. So tomorrow there is that possibility, but in order to get there, we need to collect likes and people engagement, and we would like to see that people want this. And of course, tomorrow we're going to have a target on the likes. I'm going to announce it, so very likely tomorrow we're going to do 150k Lucid Flex on the giveaway. I think tomorrow we've got PPI. Yeah. Lovely rejection so far. Told you about this one. Told you. Told you about it, guys. I just got in a little short here. Maybe it's not that little. 10 minis short. 10 minis short, guys. 10 minis short. Stop loss and break even. 10 minis short, leaving it open for the US session. What if we cliff 20-30 points? Look at that lovely move. 1 minute to go, guys. Come on. Let's just dump it. Come on, dump it. 10 minis short. $173,000 in the account. You know, we're going to trail here above this candle. We're going to trail above that one. $4,000. Come on, keep it going, guys. Where do I set up my target? Where do I set it up? Let me tell you. 9-11. What do you guys think about 9-11 target? Let's see. 173 grand in the account. And we bought this one at 150. We passed the evaluation. You know how you pass the evaluation. But we just had the opening. Best of luck, everyone. Ah, look at that. We got lucky on that one. We got a little bit lucky on that one. 2 points away from hitting our trailing. And it has not been hit, guys. 2 points away. Come on. Give me that target 9-11. Give me that target on 9-11. It's holding. It's holding here. Nah, alright. It's fine. 1,500. It's fine. You know, it's fine. You know how much money we would have made on 9-11? Celebration time, but we would have made about $11,000 with that one. Boom. And now watch the markets going to my 911. No, we have 171,000 here. So let me tell you, this account. We passed the evaluation. It's 150k Lucid Flex. We passed the evaluation, which is 6%, which means we did 9,000 bucks. And then after, we just made profits. We have no losing day. Took quite a few payouts already. Let me share with you the account. And made 21 grand above. 21 grand with 9 on the evaluation stage we did. That's exactly $30,000, guys. 30k profit. This is how it went. This is for January. We had 10,000 here on the 2nd of. That's how we started the year. That's why the whole year was so great, guys. We're joking. This is January 2026, and then this is December. We have no losing day. 21k made on the funded stage, plus 9 on the evaluation stage. Unbelievable, right? So it didn't went to 911. It went down to 935 again. That's a vicious level. Last month's high. Daily, weekly openings there on the 5-minute. Market is getting arrabbiata here. It's getting arrabbiata at the daily opening, weekly opening. It's getting angry. It's getting hot. Exactly. Just leave your trade open like I left it earlier. That trade on 911 earlier could have been a 11 grand winner. That's how we made that 10k. And let me tell you something. Imagine you are on the funded stage. You leave a good winner. Makes you 10,000. The rest of the 4 days, make the minimum 250. Take the max payout. Next cycle starts. You have a lot of the money in the account from the previous cycle. So you only do the minimum for 5 days. And you take another max payout. Third cycle, you're still going to have above 5 grand. Do the minimum for another 5 days. And take the max payout. So that single day will allow you to milk the account for 3 total cycles of payouts. Of maximum payouts. That 10k day. So that's how important it is to leave your freaking winners and make you money, guys. Think about it. It's locked up. Your drawdown becomes static. Let me share with you. So, minimum account balance, 150, 100. You can see that right there. 150, 100. It's also written here. Minimum balance. 150, 100. Right? Becomes static. It is wild, yep. It becomes static after your first payout. Lucid Flex accounts becomes static after your first payout. Locks on your original balance plus 100. Exactly. You can force it for 30 grand in a day. You see, I got $20,000 there in drawdown right now. I could say I risk 5,000 in drawdown to make 20 in profit for silver. Yeah. Tap on futures Ignite accounts are not good. YRM is static too. Once you request your payout, the drawdown becomes static on your original balance plus 100. I'm not opposing the 50k. It's just that if your budget allows you to trade a 150k, it's certainly a much better option. If your budget allows you. I'm not opposing for the 50k. My approach would be different for the 50k in terms of the sizing. But I would take days to pass the evaluation. I did pass the evaluation of this 150k Lucid Flex in 3 days on stream. We made for 2 days 4,400, and then the last day we made 200 or something like that. I just let my winners run. Oh, short entry 965 someone. It's dangerous. Because breaking above last week's high is is a big chance, guys. Breaking above 996 is a big chance. I think there is too many people not trusting the breakout above 26,000 today. There's too many people. It's dangerous. It's dangerous with the shorts, but thank you so much, guys, for joining. We've got the giveaway starting soon on the stream. BTC is coming to life. Bitcoin is coming to life. For the top one futures, you get the end of the day drawdown accounts and the other accounts, SimPro accounts, which is intraday trailings. Pretty good. Right, so static drawdown you have on Lucid, you have on YRM if you are requesting your payout. Once you request your payout, you become static. So you don't need to bother about it anymore. But you see, I just left $2,000 buffer after my payout request for the YRM accounts, and we still got it to the payouts. And that's because we have 22 sessions in a row profitable. 22 sessions in a row here. And then the Lucid ones are how many sessions? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for December. 11 plus 5 is 16, 17, 18 sessions for the Lucid back-to-back profits. Look at that, we broke above, guys. That's gonna get pretty hot there with the stop losses getting hit. Exactly, 12 AC. That's what I did. That's exactly what I did. That's exactly what I did. And then the second cycle after the one you mentioned, 5 days of 250 and you're taking 3,000 out. 5 days of 350, taking 3,000 out. Because you got sufficient money from the first cycle with that 10,000 in 1 day. So let me tell you something. That 10,000 in one day secures you minimum 2 payouts. Minimum 6,000. If that is on copy traded 5 accounts, that is basically 6 times 5. It's 30 grand. That single 1,000 gives you 30 grand. It's 90 to 10 split on the pound, so that's 27,000 net amount. But think about it. Beautiful reaction from here. We talked about the level of... You guys remember when I encircled this thing and I said we're gonna play some games here? Yep. That's all we did. No, I'm not touching it. Not trading anymore today. We got all the targets needed. Not trading anymore. We got all the targets needed. All the targets needed. I'm happy about it. Yep. Not recommending Lucid 25k, no. Instead of Lucid 25k, you better get a YRM 50k. $64. YRM 50k, 64 bucks with my code. No activation fee. Yes. So the Lucid Flex accounts are giving so much in terms of allowing you to have winners run. No consistency on the funded stage is something insanely courageous by the company. I almost made a new high here. But you see, guys, we talked about, are we going to touch the all-time high this month? Majority of you said yes. And the all-time high is not far away. Nah, it's right there. About 300 points, and we're taking that one. So let's just get ready for the giveaway, guys. We've hit all the targets needed today, back and forth. Tomorrow we've got PPI, and if we are going to collect all the likes needed for tomorrow, we're gonna do 150k Lucid Flex tomorrow. Today we still have to collect some more likes. What do I need? I need the wheel. And then I need a ducks. Oh, look at that drop. Look at that lovely drop. Look at that lovely drop. I've sneaked something here. Look at that one, guys. I've sneaked something right now, quickly. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Made about $200 or something like that, right? Alright, so I'm closing that one out completely. The whole trading software is closed. No more con tower. Time for me to open up for the wheel. Alright, guys, so I'll give you a minute. Sign up for the form. Sign up for the form. Time for the giveaway to start. Time. But wait. Wait for the numbers. Wait for the numbers. We don't have any... How to join could be one of your questions, I guess. Well, you gotta like the video, guys. Come on, everyone. 220 watching, 170 likes. You gotta like the video. You gotta be subscribed. Do not look into anything. Do not look into anything that guy says. Join the Discord as well. So these are the 3 things besides completing the form. You got to complete the form of the giveaways. We're having a new link daily. And you certainly want to complete a form. Come on, guys. I'll give you 10-15 seconds to do it. Do not forget about it. First giveaway today will be Tap 1 Futures $25,000 Sim Pro account, an instant funding account. We're going to give this one out today. And I think that's going to be pretty hot. The rules are simple. You will watch the entries, you will listen to the audio. I'll tell you what numbers we're going to have on the wheel. I'll tell you. You can guess a single number, not multiple numbers, and not from multiple accounts. We're finding you or banning you. And we're doing between 70 to 80 giveaways a month. We're doing between 70 to 80 giveaways a month. So it's not worth to be banned, for sure. A single guess per person. Do not spam. The system will lock you out automatically. You can have your guess twice or something like that. It happened that a single input did not came through. It's down to YouTube and to this service, but we're fine 99% of the times. So, listen up for the ratios, listen up for the numbers. We're gonna have 5 zeros. 1 number 1, 2 number 2, 3 number 3. You can start. Let me know your number, guys. Start right now. Let me know your number. Best of luck, guys. A single guess per person, no multiple times, and do not spam the system with 100 messages. 5 zeros, a single number 1, 2 number 2, and 3 number 3. $25,000 tap on futures Sim Pro account for the best out of the best. $237 watching, 188 likes. We gotta bring up the numbers. Come on, guys, like the video. 240 watching, a single guess per person, streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. A lot of education, and on top of that, giveaways too. Daily. Best of luck. Drinking my Japanese green tea from a Japanese cup. There you go. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. That's enough. Enough is enough. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. This is the first giveaway. Keep in mind we're having 3. We're going to shuffle this. I'm going to visit Japan one day with my whole family. Best of luck there. If you win, you will give it to the third. Ho ho. That's a good promise. We have the zeros coming up, double zeros. And I think that's where we're stopping on the yellow. That's not going to be the number 1. Unfortunately. Oh, that's a beautiful place. Sure. Look at that one. That's the 0. That's the 0 I promised you guys. We had 5 zeros. Congratulations for the winners. Let me bring up the ducks. Come on, ducks. Ducky. What's up with you? Ready for today? 87 winners. Oh my gosh. That was so close to that 100 mark. Did not even expect it, but you guys will actually compete for 2 minutes. 2 minutes competition time. Shuffle. Best of luck to everyone. Look at that one. There's 250 people that have signed up for the giveaway. 250. Extremely rigged. We got a Donald there, and we got a lot of the ducks. Dennis. We have an AI pedal with voice recognition system. Look at that. Police. Oh, that's pretty crowded. Close to that 100 mark. 2 minutes competition time. Someone's on fire here. Hurry up. Hurry up, guys. There's 2 more giveaways. Hurry up. You got Dracula. You got a snowman. You got a king leading. Alex. And Superman. 30 seconds to go. We're going to have the second cycle of ducks coming from behind. Ducks that have not been seen during the whole... Six seconds to go, guys. 5 seconds to go. 12 AC. Look at that one. He just promised you people he's giving the account. 12 AC. There you go. Hey, congratulations, buddy. Look at that. You have a mask on your face. Look at that, 12 AC. You just said something, right? Congratulations, buddy. But first, we gotta verify if you completed a form. Did you rig the system? How did you win this one? Let me verify. If you have signed up. I can see your name right there. Congratulations, buddy. Look at that one. So your price to the third. Are you sure? Are you sure for that? Confirm once again. Maybe your computer, maybe your YouTube has been hacked. Alright, so you're not hacked. Good. I'm looking into who's the third right now. The third also must be on the form. Hustle Lane. Hustle Lane is the third one. With William so close, but Hustle Lane right there, the third one. It came through. And it looks like you got a donation. Hustle Lane. Are you? Yes, you did fill up the form. Congratulations, Hustle Lane. That goes out to you because our great community member donated the account. Wow, look at that one, guys. This is the first time happening. Keep that in mind. He also did something like this in the past. I do remember he did something similar, right? Congratulations, buddy. Cheers to you. His secret is I got the pedal from him. And I think he still has a control over that pedal. I got the pedal from him. That's the secret, guys. But that's a beautiful gesture. Congratulations. Thank you. You see, these are the kind of things that are happening in our lovely community. And now we're getting ready for the second giveaway. Second giveaway. Will be, well played, 50k Lucid Flex. Think about that one. 50k Lucid Flex. Super nice. Super nice. So, probably anyone that needs accounts can drop him a message on Discord. I invite everyone. Good stuff. Great. So let me think about. Second giveaway, Lucid Flex 50k. Let me think about. 5 zeros. 7 number 7. A single number 1, a single number 2, and a single number 3. So you can start right now. 5 zeros, 7 number 7, and then just a single number from 1 to 3. That's what we got on the wheel. Giveaways today a little earlier because in 28 minutes into the stream, we've hit all the targets, guys. We just had back-to-back profits today dominating the whole thing. All the YRM accounts and all the Lucid Flex accounts got to the target today. Extremely important on the YRM. I have a personal challenge. It's the third cycle for one of the accounts. And we just made in the second day for the third cycle $600 a gain like yesterday. And that's very important because it moves me away from the max loss. I did not left that much buffer after the second payout. And I needed these days. Like fresh air. Come on, guys. Make sure to be signed up on the forum and like the video for those of you that are fresh. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Like the video, guys, for those of you that have joined recently. And be subscribed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Alright, so let me shuffle them this way. They're pretty mixed up. Best of luck, everyone. If we have more than 100 winners... Look at that. Number 2 sitting on red. So it's not going to be the number 3 for sure. Could it be the number 1 if we pass that 7 on green? But we're not going to pass that 7 on green. That's going to be with the number 7. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. I'll tell you. That's the number 7 right there. Yeah, that's the 7 right there. Let me tell you something. If we have more than 100 winners, top 3 will go to a second round. Top 3. If we have more than 100 winners. Which I think we're going to have more than 100 winners, but let's see. I think we're going to have more than 100. 118. 118. You guys are going to be here for a minute, competing. And the top 3. The top 3 will go to the second duck race. This is a Lucid Flex account of 50k. And for tomorrow, we're preparing a big giveaway of a $150,000 Lucid Flex account if we're going to hit a specific level of likes. I'm going to set the target tomorrow. I'll tell you tomorrow. And if we hit that level, we're going to do 150k Lucid Flex tomorrow. Alright, Maddie. I'll keep that in mind. Come on, Alex. You got your ducks ready? Congratulations. Four seconds to go. Who's going to speed up? Harry. Look at Harry. Congratulations, Harry. With a naked duck. No costume. Running on that lane right there. All the way from Atlantic. With the Zill on the second. But we're going to find out if Harry and Fred on the third. Look at that one. Harry, did you complete a form? Let's find it out. Let's find it out, Harry. Oh, wait. This is Harry is right here, but this is with 2 rounds. I almost forgot about it, guys. This is with 2 rounds. So Harry, Zill, and Fred. Harry is confirmed. Zill is also confirmed. And Fred is also confirmed. Hey. Look at that one, guys. Oh, you receive a custom duck from the system automatically. Harry, Zill, and Fred. These are the 3 huge fighters that we've got here competing. You guys will compete for a minute. This way. Best of luck, everyone. Let's find it out. Lucid Flex, $50,000. This is the second giveaway, guys. There's going to be one more giveaway. The last giveaway. Who's gonna win, guys? Come on. Hey, drowned in the oven, in the market, in the freezer. Your duck is in the freezer. Come on. Who's gonna win, guys? Somebody's gonna speed up in the last 5 seconds. That's what you have to look at. I see at the top, Fred. I see at the bottom, Harry. Who's winning, guys? Come on. And there you go. We got Harry with number 4. That's a double winner. That's a double winner. Harry, Fred, Harry, Zeal on the 4th. Look at that one. Congratulations. Look at that one. Hey. That's a big one, guys. That's a big one. $50,000 Lucid Flex. Big money. Congratulations. That was pretty close. With Fred. That was so damn close. Congratulations, by the way. Let's have a look into our last giveaway for today. Changing the numbers a little bit. We're changing the numbers a little bit. Third giveaway. 50k YRM. 50k YRM. There you go. Third giveaway starting soon. We're on fire. So cheese, everyone. Yeah, let me think about. So we're gonna do. Listen up, guys. Listen up the ratios. Two number 2, 4 number 4, and 6 number 6. You can start right now. 2 number 2, 4 number 4, and 6 number 6. We have 12 entries. Out of the 12 entries, 6 entries, half of them are sitting on the 6, right? Look at that one. Even numbers. It's a good idea from Badger. Bring it up, guys. Come on. Let's go. 933 on Nasdaq. Expected to see some more price action above the 26,000, but it looks like he's not ready yet. I'm happy that we traded today once again in 28 minutes. London session, pre-New York. All the targets. Go, P. Are you going for all the numbers? Like, what's the point to organize this if people would be allowed to have all the numbers? The Discord is in the comments area. Or you can find it on my videos that I posted on my channel. Here's the Discord, by the way. I'm going to share the Discord link soon. Stop right there, guys. No more guesses. Here's the Discord link, by the way, for those of you that did not join. You got to be part of. Right, so stop right there. We're going to shuffle this way. It's pretty mixed up. Best of luck, everyone. 50k YRM accounts. Best of luck, guys. That number 6 is pretty popular. I think there's going to be more than 100 winners. If we don't touch that number 4, we're going to sit on the number 6 for sure, and possibly on the green one, guys. The paddle is not going to be sufficiently powerful to stop here now. That's going to be the number 6. Congratulations for the winners, I tell you. That's going to be the number 6 on the green. That's the 6 for the green. Congratulations for the winner. So close. Paddle not working today for the little numbers, for the minority numbers not working today. You see, some people guess the right number 3 times in a row. 103. Hey, congratulations, we crossed the 100 mark. So that means we're gonna have 2 rounds. We're having 103. Top 3 will qualify in the second round. Shuffle them once, and then good to go. Best of luck, everyone. Exactly, 12 AC. That's how you win. That's how it happened the last time as well. And there is a purpose for that, right? There is certainly a purpose for that. Look at a Trader 07. Top 3 will get to second round. Who's speeding up from behind? And there you go. Digital Baloo, congratulations. We've got Music and Sebastian. Dona on the 4th. And Cataclysm on the 5th. But it's important for the top 3. You gotta be on the list. So Digital Baloo. Digital. Yes, you did fill up the form. First one is secured. Music. Let's find it out. Music is not here. Music is not here. Unfortunately. Dona, that's a big chance for you. Music is not here. Look at that one, guys. Music is not here. Sebastian, very likely. He's been with us with a... there you go. Since the early days. You did fill, bro, but possibly a different form. A different form, not this one. And Dona. Dona was like winning twice in January, December. In December, actually. Winning twice in December or something like that. Dona. You filled, but probably from a different account. I trust you filled up. But very likely from a different account. So, we got Digital Baloo, Sebastian, and Dona going for the second round. There you go. We got them multiplied. A minute, shuffle, start. We're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. Very likely. So the system is right there. Yeah. A scam bot is not working on Scambro. Alright. Better luck next time. 15 seconds. Who's going to win, guys? Tell me. Give me a name quickly. Who's going to win this? We got Donut leading, but someone else is going to speed up. Look at that. Sebastian is coming through. On a naked number 11 duck. Sebastian is actually the winner. Congratulations. Look at that one, Sebastian. For the first and second. And then we've got Digital Baloo down to the 6th. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Hey, Sebastian. Congratulations, buddy. $50,000 YRM account goes out to you in your pocket. 50 grand. It's not bad, right? Good job. Good job. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Maybe he's not here, maybe. This minute, this seconds, maybe he's not here. He's having a break. By the time he's gonna come back, he's gonna say his name. If you lost, you probably lost. Probably lost, right? Digital Baloo probably lost. But that's not a problem. So that's where we are, guys. Thank you so much for today. Well, tomorrow, keep that in mind. 150k Lucid Flex tomorrow on the table. It is your possibility to take it. But we're going to set a target for the likes. Those likes needs to be achieved during the stream from the beginning till the time we say stop. And if we hit that one, we're going to do 150k Lucid Flex account. Thank you so much, guys. Scramble coupon code for maximum discount. Any other information and detail in our Discord right there. Winners, direct message me. Careful of the scammers. I just wrote a message in our group. Make sure to join us. Thank you once again, guys. Have a lovely day. Peace. Careful.